Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I have this beautiful page for you today as tutorial using the April limited edition kit. I select this paper from the watercolor floral collection by Prima Marketing that is featuring this month in the kit. I have 4 photos, 1 bigger and 3 small photos to play in my page today. But let me show you the paper. Look, it has like a clouds on the background, but at the same time has the handwriting here and numbers. So for that reason, I'm going to prime the paper today with white heavy gesso. I'm going to use the spatula because I'm going to apply this in a thin coat in the center, in the area that has all the clouds. I don't want to cover that, but I want to smooth a little the handwriting and the numbers. For that reason, I'm going to apply twice the gesso in the borders, and you will see that I smooth the borders, but I don't cover the details. And now you can see here I'm going to dry this, and you can see the clouds. I'm going to dry this. Okay, here I'm using the Distress Grit Paste. It is a matte gel, and I make marks in the area that the photo will be. It is the stencil that comes this month in the kit by Prima, and I put it in a diagonal shape here, and I am applying now the grit paste by Ranger. It is like a matte texture paste, and you see once it's dry it will dry very white and with all these lovely textures. It is, if I can explain the texture of it looks like a sand, like a paste with sand or something like that. It is when it's dry it looks like that, very porous surface. And I'm going to apply a little of the texture here because I want to make like a visual design and play with all the photos to create like a move. Here you can see how it looks. I'm going to let it dry, and now I'm going to cut out all these images from this paper and some of the leaves from this other. Here are the pieces that I cut, and this one is from the ephemera package that I'm going to use as my title. Okay, the paper is dry, and you can see here how lovely it looks. It's hard to see the texture through the video. This is the bigger photo, and I'm going to attach a piece of cardboard on the back of the photo just to stand out this photo from the rest. And I cut this doily die, this doily from this die I should say, and I'm going to place this between the cardboard and the photo. You see now what I am trying to do. I am trying like to frame, to put all these beautiful doilies around the photo. You can see here, and with this small piece I will extend this here, and it looks so lovely. And for the rest that I will use this piece to complete to frame my photo, and look how lovely it looks. Of course I need to attach adhere this cardboard on the back just to give the same balance and the same dimension that the photo has. So for the reason I am putting pieces of cardboard behind this piece, and look how lovely it looks. Now I select a few. The kit comes with 3 packages of Prima flowers, so I select the purples and the printed flowers to use in this page. I already put 2 of the small photos here, one in the top and other in the corner, and look how lovely are these clouds, these tiny clouds. And I use a die and make some of these small clouds. Now I'm putting the rest of the Prima flower and the title that is from the ephemera. And now I'm going to play with all the leaves that I cut out from the papers. And look, I am trying, like I said before, I am trying to make like a visual design in this page here. You will see the movement that I am trying to create, and in this bottom part here I place a photo and some of the flower. Now for the title, I am cutting a piece of white cardstock. I think that I'm going to stand out more the title in this way, and I want to make a banner, so I am cutting here like a fishtail in this area. Now I'm going to adhere the ephemera to the banner, and look how lovely it looks now, the difference. Now I'm going to add 3D font tape on the back of this piece. Oh, look who jumped in my desk. Let me move all these things. Kiara, I think that she needs love, or maybe she needs food because I have been here making this page for a long time. So now you can see, okay, I'm going to put everything again. So I am trying to move fast because she is close to me and I don't want any other accident, so I am trying to put everything back here. And now I think that, oh, it's okay. Oh, she's back again, moving, baby. Okay, I'm going to attach all these, but she's sitting. I can't believe it. Let me see if I can move this and put this aside. I think she needs love. Okay, Kiara. Well, Kiara is my princess and she's my scrapbook partner. Okay, say hi. Hi, friends. Okay, I'm going to take a break. Okay, Kiara was hungry, so I gave her food. Now let me show you what I did. I adhere everything and put this lace on the back, just small pieces here and there, you can see, and some of the cheesecloth too. And look, the tiny clouds that I love this die, and I bought it for card making, but I think that it looks very lovely in this page. And now let me show you this corner here. I need to trim off all the excess of paper, so I'm going to use my trimmer and my scissor to cut this. Okay, now looks better, and I can finish the corner here. When I attached this piece, I left like a pocket, so I put the photo, insert the photo in the pocket, and now I am adhering and putting the flowers and the leaves to finish this bottom corner here. I am trying to play with all the elements. Once I adhere this, now I am giving extra texture, and I just love the art stone and the look that it brings to my project. So I am adhering a few of these art stone with 3D gloss gel here around all of this embellishment and over the lace. You will see I'm not putting too much, but I am adding some details that you will see at the end of this video. I'm going to show you a closer video of all the page, and you can see all the details very close. I put behind the leaves, in that way I can enhance more the dimension. And once I add all the art stone, I take my hot glue. I am adhering some pearls. I'm using two different size of pearls, one bigger and the other one is like a medium size. I am going to use also a tiny pearls that you will see, but I am going to attach them off camera. I cover all the photos and I'm giving white paint splatters over all this surface. I want to smooth all the transition between the texture and the paper here with different splatters. And I think that I give like a five layer of this. Once I add the white paint splatter, I'm going to let it dry, and now I'm going to show you it is dry, how it looks very close. You can see here all the details. I put this bow that I cut from one of the paper, the butterfly. I add also some bottoms that you can see here and the tiny pearls that I add at the end. And you can see I just love how it looks, very delicate. I hope that my friends that you love it too. And if you like this video tutorial, let me know with a thumbs up and share this video. Here are the photos that I take outdoor, and if you like it, let me know with a comment down below. Here I let you 2 more videos that maybe you are interested, and I see you soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.